The Boldifi Digital Planner is the only tool you'll need to crush your goals. Never used a digital planner? Here's what's inside. Over 100 hyperlinked pages that are optimized for iPads, GoodNotes, Notability, and Android PDF editors. This planner includes all and more of the traditional features of a paper planner, including yearly goals, goal tracker, vision planner, to-do list, habit tracker, affirmation calculator, an undated monthly planner, 4 weeks of journal prompts, and daily schedules. And review your weekly progress with the weekly accountability tracker. With purchase of the planner, get access to over 30 bonus business tools, such as Canva editable branding kits, a podcast startup guide, and licensed attorney-reviewed contract templates. A digital planner bundle worth well over $400 available to you at a fraction of the cost. Get the planner made especially for crushing business goals. Grab yours today. Happy planning!